This is the final video in our auto tagging series. It's going to focus on object ID labeling. This video is going to be very quick. This concept is really simple. If you have 1,000 object IDs that you got through any one of the different widgets in the product or as a function of some import or export, and you want to label all of them, with 1,000, that's actually probably no problem. You could probably do that through the search bar alone. But let's say you have 10,000 that you need to do. Then it becomes quite difficult through the search bar because the search bar, I think, can only handle about 1,000 or maybe 1,500 or something like this. So let's go and show how you get that done using the auto tagging widget. So we're going to go into our object ID labeling section. And again, we choose a target case. And we want to apply or remove labels. In this case, we're going to apply them. And let's apply our gov label. It's already got 4 objects. We'll add to that. And let's go get our object IDs. So we go into our grid. And let's just remove any filters we have. I don't think we have any filters. We can see it starts at 3,000 and goes up by ones, let's say to 3,020. So let's go ahead and just enter those numbers. Now, of course, you wouldn't do it this way. You wouldn't manually enter them 3,001. Like this. You'd either do it through Excel or there's some mechanism by which you already have these. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and do it through Excel as well. So let me come over here. Let me open up Excel. Let me come in here and let's just do 3,001 and this plus 1. And let's drag down to 20. And then let's make this, do like this, and then this concat, this one, comma, because we're going to need a comma to separate these, and this one, oops, what did we do? Concat, hold on, let's see. Concat, okay, I got my abbreviation wrong. That's what I thought I might have done. And we'll pull this all the way down. And this is the one we want then. Go back to our case, drop this thing in, and go ahead and just run it. It should be that easy. It's actually a small labeling job because here we're only got 20. You would probably do this with 20,000, 10,000, or some huge number where you couldn't accomplish it via other means. So let's just go make sure this worked. So let's refresh our labels. And gov now has 22 where it only had 4. I suspect 2 of them were overlaps. But you can tell it worked and it correctly assigned the documents. And again, you would do this for much larger data sets than the 20 we just did. But that's it. It's no more complicated than that. Hopefully you'll find that useful. It might get you out of a jam once in a while. But anyway, thank you for your time.